Good morning, student. Yesterday we complete the exercise 12.2. Now today we will start exercise 12.3, which is most important exercise. In each and every questions we find the area of shaded region in different type of figures. In each question there are different type of figures. We will do it some questions to find the area of shaded region. Now see the question number first of exercise 12.3. This is given to you. This is a circle. This is the diameter of circle. Point is R, Q and O. P is any point. P is any point on the circle. Now find out area of shaded region in the figure. PQ is given to you 24 centimeter and PR is given to you 7 centimeter. Now see it. QR is diameter, P is any point on semicircle. Semicircle QPR. So angle QPR is 90 degree. Angle in semicircle. So this is 90 degree. So therefore by Pythagoras theorem, QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. PR is 7, PQ is 24, 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576. So it become 625. So QR is square root 625. So its prime factors are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Make it pair. It become 5 into 5, that is 25 centimeter. Therefore diameter is 25 centimeter. So radius is 25 upon 2, that is 12.5 centimeter. Now area of semicircle, is equal to pi r square. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 12.5 into 12.5. Remove this decimal, put the 10. 5 2 ja, 5 25 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 25 ja, 2 11 ja. 25 into 25, that is 625. Multiply with 11. 11 5 ja 55. 11 2 ja 22 and 5 27. 11 6 the 66 and 268. Area of semicircle, sorry, it will be half pi r square so it will be 6875 upon 28 centimeter square. Area of semicircle half pi r square, half into 22 upon 7 into radius is 12.5 into 12.5. So 5, remove the decimal, put the 10, remove the decimal, put the 10, 5 2 ja, 5 25 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 25 ja, 2 11 ja, 2 7 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28, 25 into 25, 625, 11 5 ja 55, 11 2 ja 22 and 5 27, 11 6 ja 66 and 2 68. Area of right triangle QPR half into PQ into PR, half into PQ is given to you 24, PR is given to you 7, 2 12 ja 12 4 ja 78 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle QPR. So is 6875 upon 28 minus 84 upon 1, 28 is the LCM. So it will be 6875, 1 into 1 divide 28 is 28, 28 into 84, 8 for the 32, 8 8 the 64 and 3 67, 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16, 2 5 3 2 minus 2 3 5 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 2 5 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4 upon 28 centimeter square. Four, 5, 2, 3 upon 28 centimeter square is the answer. Second question is very easy, you can do it yourself, because you will find area of outer sector minus area of inner sector. Third question is also very easy. There is a square ABCD and there are two semicircles. You can find out the area of shaded region subtracting area of two semicircle from the area of square. Third question and second question you will do it. Now see the question number 4. It is an equilateral triangle given to you OAB and this is the 12 centimeter side, taking O as center of radius 6 centimeter. This is the major arc, this is 6 centimeter find the area of shaded region. So how to find out? Each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So angle AOB is 60 degree. Reflex angle is 360. Reflex angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 60, that is 300 degree. Area of major sector AOB, इसको यहाँ पे ना POQ लिख लो. Here you can write the name is POQ, area of major sector POQ is 300 upon 360 into pi r square. This 0 cancel, 6 5 ja, 6 6 ja, 5 upon 6 into 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6. 6 and 6 cancel, 6 5 ja 30, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 upon 7 centimeter square. Area of equilateral triangle is side square root 3 upon 4. So that is 12 square root 3 upon 4, 144 root 3 upon 4. 4 3 ja, 4 6 ja, 36 root 3 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of major sector plus area of equilateral triangle. So it will be 660 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 centimeter square. I think you understand this question. So question number 4, this one, I think you understand it. This is your major sector. This angle is 60 degree. So this will be 300 degree. And area of major sector 300 upon 360 into pi r square. And this is equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is this one. Side is 12. So it will be 36 root 3. Whole is the shaded region. So this is the answer of question number 4, 660 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 centimeter square. The homework is question number 2, 3 and 5 of exercise 12.3. Thank you. Anji.